Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the wallpaper of chat inline. I wonder why you want to know how to change the wallpaper of chat inline. Maybe because since you have created your account, you have not uploaded any wallpaper to the chat and now you're thinking to upload a new one and you don't know how to do it. Or maybe there's a picture of yours or something else that you want to upload as a wallpaper of your chat. So whatever the reason, it could be for you to upload a wallpaper of chat inline. In this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Line Messenger, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, you just have to simply make sure that you have created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the app to open the Line Messenger. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. We have options almost all over the screen, at the top, at the middle, and at the bottom. So from all these options, what we have to do here is that first I will go to a chat, and there we will see how the wallpaper, like the current or existing wallpaper, looks. So here I'm getting into a chat, and there you can see we don't have any such wallpaper. It's just a black screen, and now we will see how we can upload a new one to that. So for that, just simply get back to the front page or home page, and once you get to your home page, there you will see an option of settings on the top right side of the screen. This one, you just have to simply tap onto this option, and once you get there, you will see the title of settings at the top. That means we are into the settings of the app, and there you will find many different options. So from all these options, you just have to scroll down to the down of the page, and there you will see more options. So from all these options, you will find the option of chats. This one, you just have to simply get to this option by just tapping on chats. Once you get here at the top, first you will read the title of chats and find numerous options. So from all these options, we have again this first option which says chat wallpaper. With the help of these options, we can easily upload a wallpaper. So at the top we have three options. The first one which is selected here, you can see we have the default wallpapers. You can see them, and if you like them, you can apply to them. Other than that, on the right way we have this option, and in this option we have multiple options which are basic colors and different color palettes. And with the third option, you can upload your any kind of picture that is in your mobile phone gallery as your mobile phone, or you could say chat wallpaper. So you can choose go with any of these options. So if you want to upload any wallpaper, first you have to tap on it, and it will give you a preview like how it looks. And if you like it, what you could do is that you can click on apply, which is this option. Once you tap on it, it will get applied to your chat, and it will also notify you at the bottom. Now you just have to get back to a chat, and there you will see that how the wallpaper that we just uploaded looks. So for that, go to chats, click on any of the chats, and there you will see this is a chat wallpaper that we uploaded. Likewise, you can choose or apply any kind of wallpaper of your choice to your chat wallpaper. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a wallpaper on chat in Line Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.